What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort. And I know, it has been about a month since we've been here. Life happens, and we have been very busy. But we're back, and hopefully there's been some new progress on the Jurassic roller coaster project. Let's go! Hello, Islands of Adventure, and it is good to see the lighthouse again. Alright, so here's the ticket booth windows. Not very busy, and we can see that side for the turnstiles is closed, and this one is open. Does not have much of a wait. We'll be right in, which is kind of nice considering it is a holiday, Veterans Day. Yep, no wait to get through security or through the front entrance, and we are on our way. And one of the first things that I noticed, they've got Christmas decorations up all over in the front entry plaza. The adventure begins with holidays. Islands of Adventure Trading Company, and I bet you there's some holiday stuff in here. Sure enough, you can see the Grinch. Merry Grinchmas. Different merchandise here. Photos, cups, shirts, hoodies, plush, of course, with the Grinch, Santa Grinch. Yeah, lots of different things in here from what I'm seeing. It's pretty nice, actually. And inside the store, it's been decked out as well. So we can see right here, looks really nice. I'll tell you what though, if there's one store that went all out for Christmas, it's this one, Port of Entry Christmas Shop. Ha, yeah, that's the joke considering it's Christmas year round at this place. Alrighty guys, so the park is open until 7 p.m. Hulk is at 25 minutes, 15 minutes for Kong, Dudley Do-Right's 20 minutes, 30 minutes for Spider-Man, Jurassic Park River Adventure is 10 minutes, Forbidden Journey is 90 minutes. You can see, Seuss Trolley 30 minutes, 25 minutes for Hogwarts Express. Ah yes, the Jurassic roller coaster project, and we can see 2 cranes in the air, and we know a lot of work has been done when it comes to piles going into the ground, trying to keep all the water out, and now foundations for the really tall top hat. You're gonna need a bigger boat. Alright guys, so check this out. We have a bunch of piles in the background of this image, and then in the foreground, we now have foundations for the top hat of the roller coaster. Hello, work walls leading into Seuss Landing. That's a bit different. And there's the main entry sign for the land, looking festive this year, again for Grinchmas.
And then just to show them, I'll sail to the crew and bring back an it cut, a freak, and a...
Again, decorations are up all over the place, including the Cat in the Hat. More work walls, but this time it's around one of the rides. But the ride is actually testing right now, so that's good news. See, I wasn't lying. Grinchmas is returning. See, I wasn't lying. Grinchmas is returning. Well, this is going to be a little bit different. We're riding the trolley to get an update.
Here comes train number 4. So much to see, so much to explore. Once you're in your seat,
And our chariot has arrived.
Everyone knows. Too bad we don't happen to have some of those. E is for everyone under the sun. F for green eggs and green ham. I really like them, I do, Sam, I am. R is for roundabout. Now you can see we're heading for Sneechtown with S in it.
For one of our closer views of all the Jurassic Park roller coaster construction going on, we can see the sediment barriers way out in the water. On the move. check this out, guys. The bypass bridge is open. So yeah, construction walls all over the place, Jurassic emblem, cranes, and nobody on this pathway. Jurassic Park Discovery Center, and this is going to be a little bit different because normally the pathway we take to get over towards Kong is this direction, but right now it's kind of closed off, and this is the new pathway. And you can see right here on the sign, Pizza Predatoria is closed because of all the construction. So see, the pathway comes down over here, restrooms are still accessible, and the Raptor encounter, but then it dead ends right over here at Pizza Predatoria. So again, there's Pizza Predatoria. It will be sticking around during the construction, but right now with the new Raptor encounter going in, well, it's closed. Once again, guys, the temporary Raptor encounter is still here, and you can meet Blue, take photos with her, and hopefully not get eaten. Alright, I don't remember seeing that plush merchandise for the games, but that's awesome. And just in case, we do have some directional signage right here, plus a guest service person right there willing to help you out, just in case. But yes, new pathway. So yes, this is all new, freshly paved, as we can see right here. But it's kind of a cut through, leading over towards Kong, but you get right next to some of the construction. The T-Rex is back, and it looks like the little baby velociraptors as well. They had a couple oopsies because of exposure and guests deciding to tear off their tails, but it looks like they're all better. There we can see. Triceratops right over there. And that's going to do it for the end of the gauntlet pretty much. Hello, piles right here next to the construction fence. Again, right by the guests. And just on the other side of the work wall, Jurassic Park River Adventure again. Work wall's there. Right behind that sign is where a new Raptor encounter is going to be going. They're starting work now. Now we're inside the Discovery Center, and we're still hearing rumors that at some point this is going to be closed for renovation. As to how much and when that's going to happen, not sure, but we'll let you know. And inside the Discovery Center, we do have some festive holiday things like trees and ornaments.
Yes, first one's at 6:15, every 20 minutes. That was adorable.
Hello, Hogsmeade, and it appears that we have been decked out for Christmas as well. Getting garland all over the place, and it's very busy here right now as, well, the Dark Arts show is still going on, and there's a lot of people queuing for it. Yep, just in case if you forgot, work walls are up over here by 3 broomsticks. Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure, and well, it's still having its early closings. Right now, the sign even says closed, but when we got here at about 2 p.m., we didn't even see it on the wait time sign. And I have not seen it run, at least in the 10 minutes I've been standing here. The The Death Eaters do come out around dusk, and we can see some of the spooky fog and lighting starting to turn on. And tonight's a little bit different, as it appears there's a hot set filming. Hot set! There's a lot of people here with costumes, but we've seen some different things like pyro right over here by the Haggard's Magic Creature motorbike sign, and CO2 blast like that. I don't know, maybe it's been around for a while. I haven't seen it though. But we do have the Dark Arts Castle show still going on, and the Death Eaters. Alright, enough Islands of Adventure. Let's head over to Studios. And our chariot has arrived. And now that we're over at Studios, it does not appear the King's Cross station is very busy. So again, hopefully the park will not be as well. Yep, it does appear that Christmas has fallen upon Studios, as we can see right over here by King's Cross Station. All sorts of decorations. Diagon Alley, also with holiday decorations up. It looks really pretty in here. Escape from Gringotts, currently showing a 35-minute wait. Not great, but not terrible. Alright, so enough with Harry Potter and Diagon Alley. Let's go check out the rest of the park. We can see Minion Mayhem 10 minutes, ET 50 minutes, Fast and Furious 10 minutes, Gringotts 30 minutes, Rocket is 20 minutes, and Fievel's Playland did not have much of a wait. Men in Black Alien Attack is 5 minutes, Revenge of the Mummy is 45 minutes, Transformers is 15, Simpsons is 10, Shrek 40 is 10 minutes, and Woody's Woodpecker's Nut House Coaster, 5 minutes. Well, Halloween Horror Nights is done. We have our tour and review video for 2019 up on the page. We know it was a little bit delayed, but that's because life happens and we have other jobs and stuff like that. But yes, here's the stage for Fear Factor. Was for Academy of Villains. Absolutely enjoyed their Alter State show. Hopefully they'll be back for next year. Kid Zone, yep, moving on. This area here where the Viking Scare Zone used to be for Halloween Horror Nights has been cleaned up. No more props. Just in case if you thought I was lying, see, Cinematic Celebration, 7 p.m. Oh yeah, it is Williams of Hollywood, also known as the Prop Shop. Let's go see what is new. As we walk in, seeing Christmas stuff now. Over here, Mardi Gras signs. A couple things left from Jurassic. Yeah, a couple different Christmas things. Posters, t-shirts. And inside the Halloween Horror Nights area, signs. Not seeing too many things new except for that. That's $550 for that. Big old screen looking thing there. Signs there. The club is still here. Same with that giant tentacle. More t-shirts. Another screen face. That Universal Orlando Resort poster. Still here also. That guy's new though. A couple different art pieces here. We still have the Terminator Cyberdyne sign right there. Looks like one of them's gone. We have the bust for Jack right there. Mummy, that looks to be new. $450 for that one. We'll go around the corner. Harley Quinn, still here. All those vegetables look like they have not been sold. Rooster, giant blocks of cheese. just in case if you want those. Head around the corner. Yep, Wakita still here, has not left. Do have that, that's new from Mardi Gras. Looks like the tasty meatball sign is gone possibly. This also is new, Race to New York starring Jimmy Fallon. 150 bucks for that. That's kind of neat, you could actually have ride merchandise. More photos and posters. Yeah, I'm really surprised Wakita has not left. Over here, costumes. Right there. We still have that sign over here for Merch Feud. Maps, beads. Offices sign right there. More photos. Still have one of those Park Plaza signs. Very heavy and very expensive at $1,000. Pharaoh's Gold still here. Some of those stickers also remain. But that's going to do it pretty much for the prop shop. Well, we used to have a gift shop over here behind the work walls that had tons of horror stuff in there. But it's closed up, and the reason for that is Bourne, Jason Bourne. Speaking of Jason Bourne, here is the entry for the new show, a live action show that will combine actors, projection mapping, and a bunch of neat effects. Yeah, we can see the entry right there with the sign. Little closer view of the entry area, we can see the sign right here. Bourne Stuntacular, and then the lit up one right there again. Coming soon, says spring of 2020. We don't have an exact date, but when we find out, we'll let you know. Tis a sad day, folks. No more killer clowns from outer space. Despicable Me, Minion Mayhem, and this looks really different considering Anarcade is no longer here. That was one of my favorite scare zones of the year. Really cool lighting effects. Good news for those of you that are in need of some holiday merch, just like over Islands of Adventure, the Universal Studios store has some. Banners up on the wall have been updated, same with the windows here for the merchandise. Of course, here's the main entrance for Studios, and we can see the holiday parade is running November 16th through January 5th. So if you like big inflatable balloons, you're in luck. Well guys, that's going to do it for another video here from the Universal Orlando Resort for the Jurassic roller coaster project, and I am happy to say it appears that we have tons of foundations going in for that big top hat. Of course, there's tons of track in the storage lot and lots of groundwork going on all over the site. We do hope to cover this in detail, and we know, hey, sometimes life gets in the way and other priorities. We'll try to not make it a month from the next update, okay? Of course, Halloween Horror Nights, all of it is coming down, and the parks are getting ready for their holiday celebrations. We're going to have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.